All right, it has been 3 days since we've done the juggling challenge, and I just wanted to showcase what I can do now. I've been practicing right around like 15, more like 10 to 15 minutes. I don't keep track each day after the challenge. So let's see, first try. Okay, that was okay. That was okay. That was okay. Dang it. Okay, that was good. That was good. I think that's a new record. But this is fun. I'm gonna just keep doing this like for. I feel like I just do this for like maybe 5 minutes, and then I'm just okay. I'm done. And then right before I sleep, I do it for 5 minutes, and then I'm done. I'm not keeping track of it, but definitely the 3-hour session was the most productive. And then afterwards, like I felt like it just became easier and easier every next session I did it. So 3 days afterwards from that, so I probably had total of about 4 hours of practice right now. I definitely think spacing out the practice is better instead of doing it constantly for like 2 hours straight like I did. But yeah, this is fun. This is, I don't know, there's something very, very satisfying about just throwing these things and then like automatically catching them. You're not really thinking about it as much anymore. And definitely the form is much better. Like I feel like I'm not doing the whole middle thing anymore. I'm doing like the actual thing you're supposed to do with 2 balls, which is throw them side to side. Yeah, I think doing this a lot as well helps. Like I feel like my left hand, like starting off with my left hand doesn't feel weird anymore, like at all. Like it feels pretty much the same as starting with my right hand. Like if I don't think about it, I don't notice which hand I started with. So that's like one of the biggest, I guess, tips. And then once you get there, like you just do that. My throws are still off, but I've noticed that I kind of just throw without thinking about it now. But it's fine. Like I don't really try to aim or anything, but my hands just react. And it feels pretty natural. Obviously, I still make a lot of mistakes, but for doing this for 4 days, I'm pretty happy with the results overall. Yeah.